Caught in the complexities of renewing your green card? Seeking to secure your future with a green card remains intact? Let's dive into the process of applying for a green card renewal. So welcome to Direct U.S. Immigration's channel, where you get direct access to our most up-to-date immigration and global mobility space. I am an immigration attorney with almost a decade's worth of experience, and today we're going to talk about the green card renewal. Stay tuned. For tuning in. My name is Maitreya Brown, and I'm a U.S. immigration attorney based in Washington, D.C. I'm also the principal attorney at Direct U.S. Immigration, where we work with clients in all 50 states and around the world. Before we start, click on the like and subscribe button to follow our Immigration Hub to get the latest immigration information that could be vital to your case. Navigating the intricacies of U.S. immigration law can be a daunting task, especially when it comes to renewing your green card, the golden ticket to permanent residency. For immigrants and green card holders, understanding the renewal process is crucial to maintaining their legal status in the United States. In this comprehensive guide, we will provide you with detailed instructions and valuable insights into the U.S. green card renewal process, answering some of the most pressing questions that often arise. By the end, you'll not only know how to renew your green card efficiently, but also be equipped with the confidence to tackle the process like a pro. Now, let's talk about understanding the green card renewal. So, who needs to renew their green card? All permanent residents are required to renew their green card every 10 years, except conditional permanent residents who must remove the conditions from their conditional green card before their 2-year green card expires. Individuals with conditional green cards have a separate process and do not go through the typical renewal process. Renewing your 10-year green card ensures that you have valid, unexpired proof of your permanent resident status. Now, you should begin the renewal process at least 6 months before your green card expiration date. Starting early helps avoid lapses in proof of your permanent resident status, which can have serious consequences such as affecting your ability to travel or work in the U.S. Now, let's talk about preparing for the renewal and the documents required for the renewal application. So, when applying to renew your green card, you will need to gather various documents, including a copy of your green card, which is about to expire, the front as well as the back, a copy of any government-issued identification, preferably, like a driver's license or any type of government, identification card, evidence of any name changes, and a passport-style photograph. Furthermore, for your records, it is advisable to retain a copy of your completed application that you send to USCIS. Now, common pitfalls during the renewal process can include missing documentation, filing the wrong form, and failure to meet certain eligibility requirements. To resolve these, ensure your application is accurately filled out and verify that you're using the most current version of Form I-90. Form I-90 is the official application for renewing or replacing a green card. It's essential to complete the form correctly and comprehensively, as any errors can lead to delays in the renewal process. Now, here's a step-by-step guide to completing the form. So the I-90 form consists of several sections, each asking for different information. You will be required to provide personal information, details about your previous green card and its expiration, and more. You can use a step-by-step guide to ensure you fill out each section accurately. Here are some tips to avoiding mistakes and potential delays. So to avoid delays, you want to clearly print or type all information, answer all questions fully and correctly, submit the correct filing fee, and sign where indicated. Now, let's talk about submitting the application. So you can submit your Form I-90 online through the USCIS website or by mail. Each method has its own set of instructions and timelines, so choose the one that best fits your needs. Once your application is submitted, you will receive a confirmation notice with a receipt number. You can use this number to track the status of your application online or by contacting USCIS directly. Now let's talk about what to expect after submission. Processing times can vary, but typically you can expect to receive your new green card within 6 to 12 months from the date of your application. If your current green card expires within this time frame, USCIS may issue you a temporary extension. In the unfortunate event that your application is denied, USCIS will provide you with a notice explaining the reason for the denial. You may have the option to appeal or file a motion to reopen the decision depending on the circumstances, or you may be able to refile the application. Now let's talk about the renewal versus replacing a green card. So understand the difference and when you should choose each option. So renewal is necessary when your green card is set to expire, while replacement is for a lost, stolen, or damaged green card. It's important to select the correct reason for your application to ensure the right processing and eligibility for a replacement fee waiver if applicable. Overall, renewing your green card is a critical aspect in maintaining your status as a permanent resident in the United States. It allows you to continue working and living in the country without interruption. So thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check out the caption below this video. We've got questionnaires for different types of visas so that we can help you determine which visa is most appropriate for you. And if you're traveling soon, we have a list of some of my travel favorites. So I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe if this content or information helps you in any way. Comment below if you have any specific questions, and share this resource widely because you never know who needs answers to these questions. Additionally, if you have any specific questions to this video as they pertain to your unique circumstances, please schedule a consultation with us, also at the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.